everyone, my name is Michelle and I will be your sugar makeup expert for the day. In today's video, I will show you 5 different eye makeup looks. Each look will be a notch above the previous one. So let's begin. For the first look, I will be using Stroke of Genius Heavy Duty Kohl in the shade 01 Back to Black to tightline my eyes. A simple trick to tightline your eyes is to basically close your eyes and pull the kohl across from the inner corner to the outer corner, and you will see a major difference. I have used a fine tip brush to smudge the kohl on my waterline. With this, I have completed my first look and I'm ready to step out. What do you think? We are now ready for look number 2. It's pretty simple, so let's begin. Here I'm using Blend the Rules eyeshadow palette in the shade 01 Vogue. I have applied medium brown shade all over my crease. I have now applied deep plum shade and focused it on the outer corners of my eyelid. With this, we have completed look number 2. You can match your eyeshadow to the outfit you're wearing for a daytime look. For my third look, I'm going to be using the same eyeshadow palette and picking only the shimmery shades. I'm going to focus it on the inner corners of my eyes. I have used champagne gold in the inner corners of my eyes to brighten them up. Can you see a difference? For look number 4, I'm going to be using I Want You So Double Matte Eyeliner in the shade 01 Black Swan. For this look, I'm going to be rocking a fierce winged eyeliner look. Here I'm using a tape on the corner of my eye for a sharp winged eyeliner. I have aligned the tape touching the outer corner of the eye to the tail of the brow. This will ensure that we have perfect eyeliner on both the eyes. With this trick, we have achieved really sharp and mess-free eyeliner. For our final look, let's step it up a bit. Let's see if you can rock this graphic eyeliner look. I'm using the same eyeliner to create the graphic look. With this, I have completed the final look. Would you dare to wear this look? Let us know in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed creating these looks with me. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Sugar Cosmetics for more such videos. Bye!